Metong karing plano ng administrasyon ng Mayora Vilma Caluwag na gawa niyang Smart Sustainable City ang siyudad ng San Fernando, Pampanga. Kamben na ning layo na ini, may glagay lang libreng public internet connection para karing Fernandino. Agpangking Information and Communication Technology Officer ng siyudad ay Attorney Francis Villanueva, burideng pakyapusan ng masanting sistema daring aliwang Smart City ng aliwang bansa.
Here, we want to adopt that kind of model. Now, we want to give the people an opportunity to utilize the current available technologies po, no? So, of course, doon po pumapasok din yung pag kami internet, nagkakaroon po sila ng access to opportunities, education, information, at saka magkakaroon sila ng participation sa ating growing digital economy.
Strategic lang lokasyon nung rin dalalege ding modem. Penigaralan dala ka nung masalese bandakal makagamit lakwas metong na pangangailangan ng internet connection. As of January 4, mabot na laking 16 locations ng media ng Wi-Fi, 14 karete akit la karing eskwela at adwa naman king City Market Plaza, ang Poking Civic Center ng syudad.
For this year, we are poised to implement around 35 po. So for 2024, 35 sites in total, covering different public areas and different schools. And by 2025 po, our target is to have around 43. Hopefully po, depende po sa maging available budget natin, mapapadami po natin. Basta, our objective here is to, as much as possible, cover the entirety of San Fernando.
Dagdag na pang Attorney Villanueva, mabilis mong mag-connect at safe na safe uling pakabanteya ang karelang opisina, banali ang magamit yung illegal na transaksyon. Atin la namang patupad adwang oras per site at ating connection, amambot king 5 Mbps ba nasigurado na maging sapat ang internet connectivity para ka rin sa Blang Fernandino.
For registration purposes, wala naman po tayong hinihingi, no? So mag-login lang po. At saka yung ating connection naman po, we assure people this is secured po. And we have a dashboard to monitor the activities din po. So again, syempre, hindi po natin maiiwasan talaga na merong mga malicious na intentions yung mga tao. Pero as much as we can, we always try our best to make our digital space safe po. Especially here in San Fernando.
Atin mo naman kanong suspicious websites sa pong illegal sites ali access gamit ng free public Wi-Fi connection, banaliya maabus iti. Dakala pa kanong kakasang programa, ban kanita magsundo-sundo na yung pamag Smart City ng siyudad San Fernando. Yako po yung kaya kayong talasuyong ating pusong makabalen, JM De Jesus.